Good morning, students. Now I am explaining to you SBI PO preliminary question paper number 777. Yes. So first five questions are on reading comprehension. See here, I am reading the passage. First, let us see the questions. What are the questions given? First question, which of the following statement is true? Is incorrect. I'm sorry, it is incorrect, untrue. Okay, it's direct question from passage. Second question, which of the following words can fill in the blank given in the passage? It is also a direct question from the passage. In the question below, three phrases are given which must be filled in the positions given in. Okay, direct question. And fourth one, it seems it is also a direct question. A line is given in bold in the passage. Another impediment is a woeful death. Okay, direct question. Next one, which of the following is most similar? It is meaning. Okay, four questions are direct questions. One question meaning. Okay, the West Bengal government's decision to open English sections in as many as 100 government and government-aided Bengali medium schools has caused euphoria. Euphoria is a good word. Euphoria means happiness. Caused euphoria among students, teachers and guardians. So West Bengal government has decided to open English medium sections in nearly 100 government and government aided Bengali medium schools. So it has made many students, teachers and guardians feel happy. The policy blank English medium facilities from the primary to higher secondary levels. Objective is, what is the objective of the government? To stop the mass exodus of students to private English medium schools. Exodus, large number of students join private schools for English medium. Some express doubt about the efficacy of the policy. Others are hopeful about the outcome of the action. Many people are doubtful about its efficacy, but others are hopeful about its result. They are optimistic. Two changes will come from the introduction of English sections. So it is expected that there may be two changes. First change, English will replace Bengali as a medium of instruction. Second, teachers will find themselves in an ideal classroom situation. These two changes are expected. Here number one is given. Okay, but they are not enough to win the confidence of guardians. Both English and Bengali sections will read or use books with the same content for all subjects. So both English and Bengali media will have same content for all the subjects. Difference lies only in the language or medium of instruction. Transactions are not up to the mark. Both the subject and the language must be grasped. Another impediment is, it is bolded. Another impediment means hindrance, obstacle. Another impediment is a woeful dearth of teachers who are qualified to teach in English. This is the main problem. It is expected that this will be a problem. So teachers may not be available. It will be a hindrance. Qualified teachers may not be available to teach English medium classes. Most teachers with Bengali medium background get scared at the idea of imparting instructions in English. So they are in fear. Teachers teaching in Bengali medium may not be able to teach in English medium. Once they fathom the weight of the new responsibility, they will find teaching in English medium sections a challenge. Too few have the confidence to rise to the occasion. English medium sections a challenge. Such being the case, the new sections will be in shambles. Shamble means trouble. New sections will be in trouble. It is imperative for the government to open pure English medium schools rather than split the medium of instruction in each of the 100 schools. They should be raised to the status of model schools. What will happen to the majority of schools that will not have English sections? It is a matter of, again we have third number here, it's a matter of a complete overhaul of the school education system is required. Complete repair, complete modification is required. Teaching is the only profession without any provision for probation. Good sentence. Teaching is the only profession without any provision for probation. So without any need of probation, this profession can be carried out. In other professions, be it a government job or corporate job, probationary period is a part of service. Probationary period, training period is required for other professions. But teaching profession does not require any probation. But many embark on a teaching career at school level without the right mindset. Sensitizing new recruits to the core aspects of teaching can give them a good start. So this passage is about introducing English medium schools in West Bengal state. So let us see the first question. Which of the following words is most similar meaning to the word embark? Embark means begin, start. Let us see. Seize means stop. It is not correct. Commence, right answer. Commence means begin, start, right answer. Evacuate, make vacate, no. Repudiate, get fame, no. Casual means persuade, follow up, not correct. Second option is right. Now let us see the first question. I directly come to fifth question. I'm sorry. Let us see the first question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Incorrect. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Let us see. Teaching is the only profession without any provision of probation. Correct. It is given in the passage. Second option. The objective of West Bengal government's decision to open English schools in as many as 100 government and government aided Bengali medium schools is to stop the mass arrival of students to government English medium schools. Correct. It is clearly given in the passage. It is imperative for the government of West Bengal to open pure English medium schools rather than split. Yes, it is also given in the passage. Most teachers with Bengali medium background set scared at the idea of imparting. Correct. All are correct. Option 5. Second question. Which of the following words can fill in the blank given in the passage? Which of the word given in the passage? Where is blank? Let us see here. The policy blank English medium facilitates from the primary to higher secondary levels. The policy is a subject here. It is in singular number. So here after subject we require verb. That verb should be singular. Let us see the options. Prediction, it is noun. Prediction means guess, not correct. Control, not correct. Anticipatory, adjective. Anticipatory means a predicted, guess, adjective. No. Envisages, right answer. Verb. Envisages means predicts, guess, imagine. Right answer. So it is with yes, singular verb. This is verb. Manage, not correct. So option 4 is correct. Next question. In the question below, 3 phrases are given which must be filled in the positions given in 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Let us see. First blank. With equal measure, grave concern with only 40 students. Let us see. Number one. This is number one. Teachers will find themselves in an ideal classroom situation blank. Situation with only 40 students, correct. With only 40 students. So in the first blank, we require C. Where is second number? Here. Be grasped blank. Let us see. With equal measure. With equal measure. So, first one is C, second one is A, third one is grave concern, matter of grave concern. C, A, B, C, A, B, option 4 correct. Next. A line is given in bold in the passage. Another impediment is a woeful dearth of teachers who are qualified to teach in English. Which of the following options denotes the correct meaning? This meaning. Impediment means hindrance. Hindrance. Woeful means sorrow, sad. Let us see. Another hindrance is a sad shortage. Right answer. Hindrance is a sad shortage. Dearth means a shortage. Yes. Option 1 is correct. But let us see second option. Another advantage. No. Advantage is not correct. Impediment means hindrance. Third option. Another hindrance is the lack of skills. No. It's not lack of skills. Fourth option. Another advantage. Wrong. Option 1 is right answer. Next question. It is a meaning. Which of the following word is most similar? We have already done it. So embark. Embark means embark means begin, start. Cease means stop. Commence, right answer. Commence means begin. Evacuate, repudiate, casual. Casual means persuade, follow up. Right answer is 2. Now we have rearrangement of sentences here. So I am reading. In order to make the sentences in the proper order, we have to identify the first word of each line. A begins but, conjunction. B begins India, noun. C begins the divide and rule policy, of course, phrase. D, the policies, noun. E, act, preposition. The very, distinction made and discriminatory policies, of course. It is also a phrase. Here among these 6 sentences, we have a proper noun. A sentence with proper noun, India, says something. This passage says something about India, proper noun. So we can consider B the first sentence. I am reading this sentence. India is a land of diversity with people belonging to various castes, communities, religions, facial features and skin colors. So there are many differences among the Indians. Diversity means difference. This very diverse aspect is uniqueness that separates India from every other country in the world. So this diversity itself makes India a special country in the world. That is considered the first sentence. B is considered the first sentence. Next. B is considered the first sentence. At least this is this. What is this here? Diversity. This is what history books perceive India to be, where there is unity in diversity. So it can be considered second sentence. E is considered the second sentence. The divide and rule policy, but in reality this is not what, yes, A. In reality this is not, again this pronoun is given. Here this means again diversity. This is not what pages tell us. There exists the destructive notion, practice of prejudice on the basis of caste, color, creed, and religion, which indeed jeopardizes fundamental core of national unity, can be considered third sentence. Third sentence. Next, in questions it is given F is considered the fourth sentence. F is considered the fourth sentence. So F we can mark it as fourth sentence. So far we have identified B first sentence, E second sentence, A third sentence, F it has already been given that F is the fourth sentence. Next, fifth we have to, the divide and rule policy followed by the British had already left a scar that continues to live even to this day through the secessionist policies propagated by the politicians. Yes, can be considered fifth sentence. What remains? D is the last sentence. The policies that provide advantage to one group while creating hurdles for others make way for a dangerous situation which is evident through social setups of the country. So B first, E second, A third, F fourth, C fifth, D last. Now let us see the questions. First question, considering statement F which can be considered second sentence. Second sentence, we have considered E as the second sentence, option 3 correct. Next question, which is considered the fifth sentence. Fifth, we have taken C as the fifth sentence. C, option 4 is correct. Next question, which is considered first sentence. We have taken B as the first sentence. Option 2 correct. Next, what is the next question? Among the following pairs, which of them is formed with two consecutive statements after the rearrangement? Consecutive, one after another. Where do we have? Yes, B is first sentence, E is second sentence, no? B and E, where do we have? Option 3 correct. B and E. Next question, same question. Among the following pairs, which one of them is formed with two consecutive statements? Yes, F we have considered fourth one, C is considered fifth one. CA, AF, BD, FC is the right answer. Fourth option. Next, we have common errors. Common errors. Sentence has been divided into 4 parts. There are errors in any two of the 2 parts. Let us see. The novel P.S. I Love You by Cecilia Ahmed is famous for its theme, and even a film was adopted in the same lines few years after its release. I am reading again. The novel P.S. I Love You by Cecilia Ahern. Yes, this part correct, no error. The novel P.S. I Love You correct is famous for its theme. We should not use apostrophe here. It's correct. Its theme wrong. And even a film was adopted in the same lines few years after its release. Adapted, this is ADOPT, not ADAPT. ADAPTED, adapted means adjusted, compromised. ADOPT, adopted means put into practice, implement. According to meaning of sentence, it is ADOPTED, adopted. So we have two errors, B error, C error. Option B, C. Option 2, correct. Next question. The labor union cannot put forward their demands unless all the decision makers in the union don't come on the same page. Let us see. Labor union, subject. It is in singular number. The labor union cannot put forward their demands, wrong. Union singular, so it's correct. Its demands unless all the decision makers in the union do not, wrong. Unless, we have unless here. We have three conjunctions in grammar: unless, until, lest. These three are conjunctions in English grammar. They are called subordinating conjunctions. These three conjunctions always make negative meaning. When we use any of these three conjunctions, we should not use another negative form. Don't delete it here. So what is the answer? Labor union cannot, right part, put forth their error, B part error. All the decision makers in the union, part C, correct. Don't come, wrong. Don't is deleted. So errors are C, D, option 3, correct. Sorry, B, D, option 4, correct. Next question. When one talks about sanitation, cosmetic and superficial measures such as photo ops of celebrities and political figures cleaning roads do not help the main cause. When one talks about sanitation, correct, this part is correct. When one talks about sanitation, cosmetic and superficial measures, cosmetic and superficial measures such as photo ops of celebrities, cosmetic and superficial measures such as photo ops of celebrities and political figures cleaning roads do not help the main cause, correct. All the parts are correct, no error, option 5, correct. Next one, the college is holding a special lecture for their students and teachers so that they might get enlightened about economic problems in the country. The college is holding, college subject is holding verb, college singular number. College is holding a special lecture for their students, wrong. College singular, it's correct. It's students and teachers so that they might get enlightenment, correct. Not enlightened. They might get enlightenment about economic problems in the country. So B error, C error, B, C, option 2, correct. Next sentence. The theory of relativity given by Einstein is so complicated as we cannot describe that in a few sentences. The theory of relativity, correct, given by Einstein is so complicated, correct, that adverb so is adverb here. Adverb so always takes conjunction that, not as. That we cannot describe, that wrong, it correct. We cannot use that as object, it correct. So part 1 correct, part 2 correct, C. Conjunction error. D. Pronoun error. So C, D, option 3, correct. Next. So we have a sentence with 4 bolded words. The words may be in the wrong position. We have to correct it. Wheatgrass is said to be one of the most source plants available. One of the most source plants, wrong. Source is a noun. After most, we always use adjective. Adjective. Let us see for adjective. Described, no. Category, noun. Here it is. Nutritious. One of the most nutritious plants. It belongs to the same described as the spinach, kale and broccoli. Wheatgrass, alfalfa, barley grass are category, wrong. After are, we use past participle, third form. Where is it? Described. Are described as cereal grasses. They are very good source of chlorophyll. So the order is A is replaced with D. D is replaced with A. A, D. Second, C is replaced with B. B is replaced with C. So BC. AD, BC. Option 4. Correct. Next sentence. Students who have already been enrolled to the graduate school but were not admitted. Wrong, no? Students who have already been admitted. Students have been admitted but were not enrolled. So first admission, next enrollment. So who have already been admitted to the graduate school but were not enrolled during the special semester, school should reapply for admission using a previous short form. Wrong. Previous semester special short form. That is. So here A is replaced with B. C is replaced with D. A, B, C, D. Yes. A, B, C, D. Option 3 correct. Next sentence. Applications should be received at least 8 weeks in considered of this session in which the student should enroll, wishes to enroll. Students whose applications are submitted after the deadline may be advance. No. Here, applications should be submitted. Usually applications are submitted, no? Application should be submitted at least 8 weeks advance. 8 weeks advance. Advance means before, no? Of the session in which the student wishes to enroll. Students whose applications are considered. So, what is the order here? A is replaced with C, C with A, AC. B is replaced with D, D is replaced with B. Option 3 correct. Next. An undergraduate student of this department who has senior status and is within 10 credit hours of completing all requirements for graduation may register for graduate work with the recommendation of the chairperson of the university. It is clearly understood. Undergraduate student of this university, not department, this university, who has a senior status and is within 10 credit hours of completing all requirements for graduation may register for graduate work with the recommendation of the chairperson of the department. Only one. A is replaced with D. D is replaced with A. A, D. Option 4 correct. Next sentence is Mysteries are as old as great awe. Awe means fear. Fear. When the first man roamed around in the wild, he was gazed by the strange and bizarre things all around him. He perplexed at the sun, the moon, the skies, the stars, the whole of nature. With mankind, okay, it is mysteries are as gold as great. Great adjective. After adjective, what do we require? Noun. Where is noun? Mankind. Great mankind. Mysteries are as old as great mankind. A is replaced with D. When the first man roamed around while he was gazed, he was perplexed. Perplexed means confused by the strange and bizarre things all around him. He gazed at. Gazed means look widely. Gazed. That is correct. So it is clearly understood. AD BC. AD BC. Yes. Option 1 is correct. Next. Here we have combinations. Column A, column B. We have to combine. Let us see. Work expands so as fact to fill the time available. Who has? Yes. A, E. Work expands so as to fill the time available for its completion. Next. It is the busiest man who has time to spare. It is the busiest man who has time to spare. So what is understood? A, E, B, F. Next, the general recognition of this fact is shown in the phrase C, D. Where is it? A, E, B, F, C, D. Option 2, correct. Next, because of its hazardous nature, almost the same, that means by changing the processes or methods, this kind of waste is treated separately. Because of its hazardous nature, hazardous means difficult, this kind of waste is treated separately. A, F. Okay, first combination is A, F. From the other wastes, although the principle remain by changing the process of methods. Yes. B, E. B, by changing process of from the other waste, although the principles remain remain almost the same, that means that all our efforts must be made. B, D. Next, C, reduce the generation of hazardous wastes by changing process. B, E, C, E. So AF, BD, CE. AF, BD, CE. Option 1 is correct. Next one is Article 22 of Universal Declaration of Human Rights lays down that everyone as member of society. Yes. A, that of the economic, no. A, E, correct. First combination. Next, the right to social security and is entitled to realization of economic social rights. So B, F. B, F. Second combination. Next, the organization and resources of each state through national efforts and international cooperation. C, D. C, D. Where is it? A, E, B, F, C, D. Option 2. Correct. Next sentence. Though the directive principles are though the directive principles are within their limited resources to implement the various directive principles, not enforceable through courts. A, F. Yes. A, F. Correct. The government has given due consideration, correct, to these principles while enacting laws. Both the central and state governments have tried their best within their limited resources to implement. Okay. C, E. So the order is A, E, B, F, C, D. Option 2 correct. Next one is the microwave oven is one of the great inventions of 20th century. A, E. Next. Microwave energy was developed by the British physicist Jean Randall and Henry Albert. So B, F. Next. If you think that centrally heated homes are a modern phenomenon, you are wrong. C, D. A, E, B, F, C, D. A, E, B, F, C, D. Option 3 correct. Next question. Phyllis. Yes. With an single blank is given. Two words are suitable here. With an insincere apology, she shuffles off, blank glancing over her shoulder to make sure no one had seen her colluding with a stranger. Blank glancing over, secretively, so secretively not known to anyone. Furtively. Furtively means secretly. Both make same meaning. Anonymously. Anonymous means name is not known. Hysterically. Hysterical means excited. So 1 and 2 correct. 1 and 2. Option 2. Secretively, furtively. Next one is when fighting the good fight against such a blank, there is no need for critics to resort to dishonesty and excess. Such a blank. After article, we require noun. Reprobate. Reprobate means immoral. Immoral, a person without ethics. Degenerate means same meaning. Vagrant means a person who does not have permanent settlement, who moves from one place to another. Debauchery means characterless person. 1 and 2 correct. Option 4. 1 and 2. Next sentence is with wildlife reserves becoming smaller, which puts animals in close blank with the infrastructure, the authorities must think in terms of working in tandem. Okay. With wildlife reserves becoming smaller, which puts animals in close quarters. No. Quarters. Proximity correct. Proximity means nearness, closeness. Consanguinity means relationship. Relationship by birth. Not correct. Propinquity correct. Proximity, propinquity means nearness, closeness. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Option 1 correct. Next one is if glitches are the argument for replacing EVMS, we cannot trust any system in the world. The paper ballot is most blank. After most, usually what do we require? Adjective. To rigging than any other voting system. First one, indignant. Indignant means anger, angry. Susceptible. Susceptible means no, influenced. Susceptible means influenced. Next, perforated. Perforation, noun form. Make holes. Holes. Vulnerable means influenced. 2 and 4 correct. 2 and 4. Where would we have? Option 3 correct. Next one is, we should be asking one fundamental question today. What motivates parliamentarians to speak non-essential things? If as seems blank, plausible. Plausible means possible, probable. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Logical, tangible. Tangible means experienced. So, 1 and 4, option 2 correct. So, this is today's paper. We shall meet again.